Hi Revati, good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What's about you?
I'm also good, thank you. So Revati, you have applied for a front-end developer role. So let's start with your quick introduction.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Revati Shingde. I have completed my graduation from SRTM University, Nanded, in the stream of Physics, Maths, and Computer Science. I have a 1 year experience as a UI developer, and last 3 months I'm working as an Angular developer. And my skill sets are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Bootstrap, TypeScript. These are my skill sets, and my strength is I'm a hard worker, quick learner, and self-motivated. And my weaknesses are I'm trusting everyone, and I never say no when someone asks me for help. That's all about me, sir.
Okay. So can you just explain me about your projects that you have worked on? Which projects and how many projects did you worked and what is your role on that project?
Yes, sir. I'm working in a CRUD application and some student validation forms and some static websites. Mm, that's all. Yes, sir.
Okay, on how much experience do you have? Total experience?
Mm, I have a 1.3 months experience.
Okay, and how much year of experience do you have in Angular?
3 months, sir.
Okay, okay. So can you just uh, explain me on which modules did you work till now?
Modules.
Means what you have used during your projects in third-party libraries.
Uh, yes, sir. I'm using in my project Bootstrap, jQuery, yes, and SAS.
Okay.
No third party plugins I'm using.
Why did you do not use Angular material?
Yes, sir. I use Angular material and RxJS.
Yes. That, did you use font awesome?
Yes, sir. I use Font.
Okay. So you said SAS. Okay. So what is SAS?
SAS is synthetically aversion style sheet, and it is a preprocessor of SAS, CSS, and it is elegance power of basic languages. Yes.
What are the features are there in SAS?
Yes, sir. Features of SAS. SAS is fully CSS compatible, and SAS SAS using nesting variables, functions, and mixins, and it is fully compatible of CSS all versions, and and well formatted output.
Okay. So what is mixing in SAS?
Mixin is a group of all declarations of properties, and we can use we can reusable in throughout the program. Means multiple times you can use.
Multiple times again you. What you said first? At first you said something.
Uh, it is a group of it is a group of declarations of multiple properties.
Means group of declarations means I did not understand.
Means multiple properties add in one declaration, and we can use reuse it.
What you are trying to say, multiple properties and in one declaration means I am not understanding.
Property means like text left 50%, left 50%, top 50%, text and center. These multiple properties.
What is the means what are you are trying to say? I am not understanding.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So just tell me the difference between mixing and a function.
Mm. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Why we use at the rate extend decorator?
Stand decorator. Mm. Oh, stands mm, property.
Hmm.
Sorry, sir.
Why use at the rate include decorator? Do you know?
Yes, sir. Include for mixins when we use mixins.
So what is the use of at the rate include?
Sorry, sir.
Do you know which one is the latest version of Bootstrap?
Bootstrap 5.
What are the new features introduced in Bootstrap 5?
Mm. Sorry, sir. I never seen.
Okay. Okay. So do you know what is mean by the grid system in Bootstrap?
Yes, sir. I know that. Grid system means uh, means screen wise, like small, extra small, large, extra large. Um,
Okay. What is Flexbox in Bootstrap?
Flexbox. Flexbox is used to for flexible properties.
Flexible properties means
Flexible properties mean all devices compatible. Means dynamically.
no, that is
all
not
devices.
correct answer.
So.
You are saying about the responsive web design, but I am asking you about the Flexbox. Okay, fine. What is Angular?
Angular is a platform or framework for creating single page client application. Everything is a component in Angular, and in Angular everything is available. Testing is available, services is available, routing is available. Everything is available in Angular. You don't need to go anywhere.
Okay. As you said, in Angular testing is available. What type of
Yes.
testing is available?
Means, sir, I only heard about that. I don't lot of information about that. Like Karma, Jasmine, I only heard about that.
Okay. What is the difference between Angular and Angular JS?
Yes, sir. Angular uses TypeScript language, and Angular JS using JavaScript language, and Angular supports all mobile applications, and Angular JS does not support mobile applications, and uh, Angular using routing, and at the rate route configuration, and Angular JS uses routing, Angular route provider. Yes, and yes, sir.
Did you work on Angular JS?
No, sir, I don't work.
Okay. Okay. So what is the difference between view child and view children? Decorator.
Sorry, sir.
What is the use of ng-on changes life cycle?
Um, I can't use sir in John change in my project.
Okay. What is the difference between observable and promise?
Yes, sir. Observables are eager, and promises are lazy, and observables emit single value, and observable emits multiple value at the time, and observable uses operator does not uses operator, and No, promises does not use operators, and observable uses operator like a filter, reduce, map, um, and observables mm, and promises does not need to cancelable, and promises need to when we subscribe it needs to unsubscribe. Yes sir, these are four differences.
Okay. So which one is better?
Observable is better sir.
Okay. What is the difference between, sorry, should we use ng do check?
Institute check, no sir.
Why should we use ng do check? My question is not did you use ng do check?
Yes sir, when I have getting chance I definitely use.
I did not understood my question.
Yes sir, can you repeat your question please?
Should we use ng do check? Is it good practice to use ng do check?
I don't know sir.
Okay. So what is the use of @host listener decorator? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes sir. Sorry, sir. I can't explain this.
What is mean by dependency injection? Yes.
Sorry, sir. I can't explain this.
Okay. What is service?
Um, Service is provides use properties and methods mm, to the many components.
Can you explain it clearly? I'm not getting it.
Means using service uh, when we create a service component, this component provides to information and data to all components.
How
When
to
I
use service?
yes sir. Yes, which component we want to use service? First, in constructor, we can add a service.
Okay. Which is the starting file of our Angular application?
Um, app root file.
Yes.
app.html.
Why app.html is run first?
Because it inbuilt property when we create Angular file project.
No.
Because it root file.
No. Okay. What is pipe?
Pipe um, pipe is used to transform input value to um, another format using some built-in pipes like currency, uppercase. I don't remember that. So, listen.
Sorry, I was on mute. Okay. So, do you know what is the difference between ng dirty and ng pristine?
ng dirty and ng
Pristine.
yes sir, mm, I know ng dirty when we giving value to value to input means value something we are typing means this field is dirty and um, I, I don't heard.
Yes.
Second, I don't know. Sir. Yes, I don't use.
So when we use ng dirty,
Means sir, ng means we are something typing in our input field. Means this field is dirty.
okay.
Yes.
What is the difference between absolute URL and relative URL?
Yes.
Yes.
Relative URL means uh, current file system directory, and absolute means sir, I can't remember. I forgot that.
Okay. What is lazy loading?
Sorry.
What is interceptor?
Angular interceptor is to connecting backend and front-end application. Yes. Yes, Angular interceptor is used to connecting backend and front-end application.
What is mean by token?
Can you explain your questions now?
What is mean by a token? Why we use token?
Token. Sorry, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between put and patch?
Put means um, a patch means delete a particular information or data from our database, and put means
So are you saying for delete we use patch? Okay, Revati, we are done with your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
no, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.